What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you exactly part 2 from the 3 parts video series that I created for you guys. So in this part we will be going over how to list properly your listing, okay? And that is the second powerful thing that you need to perfect and need to make that really work, because even though you find the hottest selling products, if you will not list them properly, they won't sell. Okay, it's that easy. So if you haven't watched the first video, so this video, if you want that this video will make sense, you need to watch video number 1, which I will have in the link in the description. Okay, so just before we start, make sure that you set yourself a reminder. Okay, I'm doing a live Q&A about eBay dropshipping every single Saturday at 8 p.m. UK time. So if you want to come in and ask me everything that you want, you have a link in the description that you can go ahead and set yourself a reminder for Saturday, so you will know when I'm live. Okay, so I really suggest you to set yourself a reminder. So without further ado, let's start with the video and I will show you exactly how to make the perfect listing. Okay guys, so now is the second part, and not less important than the first part, with my 3 series video. So in this video I will be showing you exactly how I'm listing a product, what I'm looking at, and the things that you need to do so your products will sell. So let's say I found really profitable item, which is this one with I think 4.16 profit. Now what you need to do is you click on sell it yourself. Okay, now when you click on this button, and why I love to use that, because it already automatically it copies the title, it copies the category, and it copies the item specifics and everything. And if you're familiar with the sniping method, this is exactly what we are doing. So that is automatically done for you. Just one thing that you need to copy is the EAN, because eBay don't copy that. Now what you need, all you have left to do, okay, is to upload the product images from your supplier. You just need to download them to your computer and upload them to eBay, and you don't touch anything else. Product description, I'm using the supplier's product description, of course, because we want to have the description of the actual item that we are selling. Now the most, let's say, important part is the pricing, and that will really determine if your item is going to sell or not. Now how I'm pricing my products. Okay, now I can see that this seller is selling for 14 and 60. Okay, most of the time people will try to compete with this guy and just, let's say, undercut it to like 13.99, which is the mistake that most of the people are doing. Now how I'm pricing the items, I'm copying that, opening another eBay page, and I will be pasting the title here. Okay, now what I'm trying to do here, okay, so I know that this title clearly works and sells. Now this guy, as you can see, he is one of the he is actually one of the more expensive sellers that in this competition of under this title, but he is still ranked second, and this is why he is still making sales. Okay, now what I'm doing, I want to find who is the cheapest one with using this title on from all of our competitors. So under the same exact title, so we have this one 10.99, 10.21, 9.90, okay, which is really low, 10.39. So far is 9.19, and this is not the same item. And that's it. Now you have here results matching fewer words. I won't touch about this subject, but I'm just want to see who is the cheapest under the same exact title. So we have this one 9.90. So basically what we want to do is we want to make sure that we can still make profit even if we are going to sell it for 9.90. Okay, so this guy is barely making profit, but you don't need to worry about it because we don't care about the first profit. All we want to do is to be the most competitive as possible and start generating sales from this item. And why is that? Because you can see that this guy is clearly one of the most expensive sellers, but he still sells this item. And why is that? It is because of the ranking, and we want to get rank as the top as possible, and we want to eventually be the first one. But for that we need to make sales. Okay, we need to make sales and then boost our ranking. Now I will be going and competing with this same exact title with the lowest price. Okay, so the lowest price is $9.90, so I don't have enough room to go ahead and undercut this product, so I will be selling it for $9.85. okay, you just need to be a bit cheaper. You want to be the cheapest one, okay, but as long as you're still not in a negative profit. Now quantity, all of that is really depends on you. Payment, shipping, return policy, all of that I'm choosing the ones that are right for my supplier. Okay, so I'm choosing the right for Von House, and basically that's it. You done. You just click on list with displayed fees, and that's it. You done. This is the listing process. Okay, and the most of the process is to find what is the most competitive price. Okay, that is the most important thing. So guys, this is the listing process, and if you will follow that, I guarantee you will see results fast. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the listing process. This is exactly the way I list my products, and I'm seeing amazing results. Okay, and I guarantee you, if you will follow this exact way that I list the products, and you will go back to video number 1 and you will do the same way about your product research and implement them together, your items are going to sell like crazy. Okay, and that is guaranteed, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in video number 3, guys.